How to connect Netgear Extender to Securifi Almond. Locate the Ethernet LAN port on your Securifi Almond router and connect an Ethernet cable there. Another end of the same Ethernet cable is supposed to go into the WAN port of your Netgear Wi-Fi extender. After creating a stable connection, you have to power on your Almond router and then the Wi-Fi extender. Connect your PC to the Netgear_X Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser of your choice. Type the default web address, mywifix.net, in the address bar. The administrative page of your extender will show up. Enter admin into the username field and password into the password field. The new extender setup portal will open. Choose AP mode or extender mode. The dashboard of the Netgear extender will appear. The network you want to extended needs to be selected now. Select the network that belongs to the Securifi router. On this window, you will be asked to assign an admin password to the extender. Once done, you should give a new SSID to the extender. You can create separate SSIDs and Wi-Fi keys for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network. A temporary loss of connection will occur. Reconnect your computer to the extender's network through new SSID and password. Return to the Netgear Genie dashboard. Customize other settings of your Wi-Fi range extender and upgrade the firmware. The connection is completed. Thanks for watching.